Okay, so if you just bought or paid for your domain name, right, as you can see here, this is Truehost, but it happens for every domain registrar. So here you could see that this one is still green, but this one is having a bad icon. That means it's not working yet. Okay, it's not working. So where do you go from here? You just purchased it, you paid for it, and here it's active, but it's showing this cross bad sign. So how do you fix that? That's what we are going to be looking at in this video. So first we have to go back to where we are deploying or hosting our project. So in my case, I'll just move to Vercel where I'm doing that. So I'm going to show you quickly right here. So this is the project result pick AI, and what you first need to do, you need to set your domain here. So I'll quickly come here and hit on add domain, and what I want to do here, I want to do result pick AI .com. So this is the purchase domain, so I'll click on add domain. So this is one change you are going to make. Okay, so after you do that, then what you need to do again, you need to go to, of course you could see that is reflecting here. All right, so I'll quickly redeploy this project. I'll click redeploy. Again, another thing you should take note of here is that if you go back, make sure your environment variables are well set for the project. Okay, so I have one aspect which is assigned. Make sure your app origin, okay, your app origin, make sure it is set. So I'll just click on edit, and here make sure you have that value. So add that to your purchase domain with the HTTP, add it here, and just click on save here. Okay, so that is another thing you need to do. But before we continue, I want to so I just want you to know that Truehost is reliable domain provider or registrar. I have been using others, so I had to change to Truehost, and ever since I've been using them, reliable, and you can trust on them. Their customer support works well also. So I have a link I'll share. If you want to use Truehost, I'll just use my link. I'll get a small cut on that, and it's going to be a win-win situation. So I'll paste the link in the comment. You can also copy it from here, so that you just put it in and you get the domain and it works smoothly. So let's continue. So back here, what you need to do, just open up the domain, open up, click on it, and it's going to load. And so once you're here, what you want to do, go to name server at the left hand side, click on name servers. All right, so click on change name servers, open it up. Awesome. So what you want to do, we want to change these name servers. We are not using this one, so I'll click and remove this. So I want to type, I'll remove all of it and point it to our Vercel DNS. So okay, I'll do that. Yes, so these are just the two I need to enter. Okay, so please take note. I'll change that to Vercel DNS. So I'll click on change name servers. Awesome. So it's going to, okay, so again, ensure that your domain DNS are set by going to Vercel. We're using leave as the domain, then you check each of them to ensure they are set up for your project. Okay, so ensure. So once you open the project name domain, then click on edit. Okay, make sure you set this up, so you point this to your domain. Okay, I already did that, so save. And okay, so after that you redeploy. So it's going to redeploy and allow the redeployment to run. Okay, so after that you can go ahead to check the status of your domain. But just to mention that it doesn't come up immediately, it takes a few minutes to a few hours before it actually reflects. Anyway, if we check our domain now.com, it may not have reflected because it takes some minutes to some hours to reflect. Let's see what happens. Awesome. So you could see that it's now showing resultpeakai.com and everything is set. Again, if we go back to our Truehost, if we go back to our domain client area, you're gonna see, okay, let me log in again. You're gonna see that the changes we actually reflect here after I do a refresh. So yeah, it seems everything is set now. You can see it's showing. So that's what I wanted us to say. Like and subscribe. I'll see you right in the next video.